Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious eggplant curry. This version is a bit special because I have prepared it with coconut, giving it a unique and wonderful flavor compared to the usual way. Let's get started. First, place a pan on the stove. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander seed and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Add 1 cup of coconut and a small piece of cinnamon. Roast these over low heat until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once roasted, remove from the heat and grind them into a fine powder. Next, place another pot on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 6 dry chilies and fry them. Once the chilies are fried, add them to the coconut mixture we prepared earlier and grind everything together again. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1/4 cup of peanut, add 1 dry chili and 5 green chilies. Saute this for about a minute. Now add 250 grams of chopped eggplant and some curry leaves. Fry everything in the oil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Dissolve about 20 grams of turmeric in a cup of water and pour into the pan. Mix it well, cover and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the ground coconut and a spicy mixture we made earlier. Give it a good mix and cook for another 5 minutes. Our flavorful eggplant curry is ready. It will smell amazing and taste even better. Do try this at home and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.